and India continues to accord greater primacy to the national sovereignty than democracy. Though democratic regimes are highly appreciated, the principle of non-interference in domestic affairs of other nations is paramount to us. India does not believe in interfering in the affairs of another country, and India would be willing to be of some assistance to them as an institution building, but India finds it inappropriate to jump into the fray. As a corollary of non-interference principle, India prefers to project itself as a possible model for other states rather than simply enforcing a particular creed of democracy. This is the reason why advocacy for democracy is made through the idea of India rather than the use of force. Even with the deteriorating situation in many of these countries, India has expressed its opposition to the use of force. The idea of India, the idea of the pluralism, liberalism, secularism, socialism, and economic equity is widely promoted as a prototype for the democracy in transition states. Our Honorable Prime Minister, Dr. Manmohan Singh, has elaborated this, I quote, "Our commitment to democracy is conjoined with a commitment to the deeper values of pluralism and liberalism. India embraces of diversity as an essential ingredient of our democracy, and what today is characteristic as a multiculturalism is deeply rooted in our culture. Our approach to strengthening democracy has contributed to increased involvement in multilateral efforts aimed at strengthening the democratic values. India is becoming actively involved in multilateral efforts to support democracy in non-intrusive ways. The July 2005 Indo-US Agreement marks a clear departure in India's approach to democracy promotion. India, along with the US, expressed the obligation to the global community to strengthen values, ideals, and practices of freedom, pluralism, and rule of law, and agreed to develop and support through the new US Indo-Global Democracy Initiative in countries that seek such assistance, institutions and resources that strengthen the foundation that make democracy credible, effective. In 2010, India was the second largest donor to the United Nations Democracy Fund, launched in 2005 to support democratization efforts around the world. In explaining how India can contribute to the strengthening of democracy in contributing to the strengthening of democracy, India seeks to employ the resource that the country has in abundance, the experience of creating institution of inclusive democracy through idea of democratic pluralism. Thank you.